back to Condé TV. I'm Tori, and today I'm excited to introduce our new double-sided hardboard hangers. You can sublimate an image on either the front or the back. They're perfect for sports teams, theater, costumes, or a wedding that you're wanting to hang up maybe the bridesmaid's dress or even the wedding dress. They're really easy to sublimate and the image looks outstanding. Let's get started. The items I brought with me today are my image, my protective paper, my double-sided hanger, heat tape, and my protective heat gloves. Now, the first step is to design and print off your image. I've already done this, but I do want to remind you to flip your image because we are working with a double-sided piece of hardboard. Next, you want to remove the protective coating on your hardboard, which is also going to be on the other side. So be sure to check that it's been removed on both sides before you align your image. Then you're going to take the image and you're going to line up your hanger. Now, even though this is a double-sided piece of hardboard, we're only going to sublimate one side of it at a time. Next, I'm going to take a piece of heat tape and secure my hanger to the design. I like to put a couple pieces of tape on the hanger so that it doesn't wobble or go anywhere. I'm going to use one more piece of tape to secure the hook. Now let's take it to the press. All right, so now that we're at the press, we're going to put down one piece of protective paper. And we're going to do this so that no ink bleeds out onto our press because we wouldn't want that, it would ruin it. Then we're going to put our hanger with our image face down next on the press. And once that's lined up, we're going to cover it with another piece of protective paper. All right, now my time and my pressure has already been set, so I'm ready to press. For all of the latest instructions, visit Condé.com. And that sound means our first side is done. Let's see how it looked. Get that off as fast as I can. And that looks awesome. The colors look great. Now I am gonna let this cool before I sublimate the other side, but once it does finish cooling, I'm gonna do the exact same thing that I did to my first side, and then I'll show you the finished product. Our hanger is finished, and doesn't it look so stylish? This would be a great item to bundle together with a sublimated t-shirt or even a necktie. You could do a pair of hangers and do his and hers for weddings. The opportunities are endless. And because it's such a thick piece of hardboard, you won't have any concerns about it supporting your garment. For more tips, products, and services, visit Condé.com, and for more of my videos, be sure to check out Condé TV. I'm Tori, and thanks for watching.